Semugabi arcs his shot, rebound, ripples the net, and who else but Brian Ahebwa is back with a bang, and delirium invokes and envelops the municipal stadium. What an opportunity, his first touch, and it is one that is joyously celebrated all across Hoyman, all across Masindi. The Royals are regal. This might be the moment that they've been looking for. Teased back here, looking for team. Crambo on a fall. Kakande passes the shot. Stunner! That is brilliant, exquisite, immaculate, top draw, out of this world. Jonah Patrick Kakande, what are you doing here?
Well, that was brilliant, breathtaking strike from this young man, and this is the reason why the coach here, Dusan Stojanovic, keeps him on the field, because he can pop up with such